40 to the fork. Let's pop you back. You're still keen. There he goes.
G'day, Nathan from Paddlefish Tasmania here. It's a beautiful winter's morning. We've made our way about 1.5 hours from Hobart to the top reaches of the Swan River. We've headed up to this system today, as being the middle of winter, the big bream should be heading upriver to spawn. I'll be joined by my good mate Gard Saxon today. He was here a couple of weeks ago and did find some really good schools, so we're hoping to repeat that success. We'll firstly be heading up to the top of this system, heading for the Wye River where it joins in, so we've got a bit of a long paddle ahead, so let's see how we go.
Yeah, it wasn't a lot of weight, he was just there. I like catching bream when you don't have to do anything. Oh yeah. Oh, the cranker crabs at Browns River, that's insane fishing with that, you know, a couple of metres of water. And the bites are like that, they're just super subtle. But when you hook up, they just take off. It's not a bad fish either. Actually, that's actually quite a big solid fish. Well, that's a good start. What did it take? 40 minutes? What did it take? 40 minutes to find a few? Gee, that's actually really solid. Fin wrapped. Oh, heavy too. And great neck. Oh, that is look at the head on that thing. So that's a really good fish. Like his head's almost like the size of his body. Just really thick across the shoulders and everything. He's looking at me like, can you just let me go? Oh, so what did you pick up then? 2 or 3? Yeah, so Spork sounds up a school. Picks up a couple. First one's a 40. I pick up one as well, probably mid-30s, but we're gonna leave fish to find fish, he says. He's the guru of the area. Can find the schools. Let's see how he goes. I think it's a salmon. That's too many head shakes. Yeah. That doesn't feel like a bream. It's a good run. Good run. It's down and dirty now. Yeah, just those circles. Oh, get out from under the boat. Yeah, that first run was really interesting. Big head shakes though. Little bream. Good little bream. Just the rear trebles. Oh, get in there. Good boy. They're in good nick. They're very sprightly. Let's pop you back and find some of your bigger friends. Nicely done. Yeah. So at the moment we're just in that final stretch before the Wye River and just sort of separated and just trying to work this middle bit with vibes and picked up a couple, so it's going alright, but hopefully they're Spork was the same. There's a few more of them up further, but it's not bad too. Too bad so far. A few coming on board. I think you're leading the 6-pack bet again, aren't you, with a 40? There's still plenty of time. Early days. Absolutely engulfed that. Came back. I couldn't do anything because I was tip wrapped. I was just wrapped and wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. So I'm just trying to. I could feel there was weight. I was like, well, I can't do anything, so I'm going to snap the tip off. That's a heavy fish. Yeah. Oh, I love that about bream. Oh, he's crossed over. Don't you go near that shit. Yeah, what's with that bend in the tail? What's with that bend in the tail stuff you were talking about? Oh, don't you pull the hooks. This feels good. Yep, you're on too. We might have to find somewhere to stop. Oh, there's the final big thump, thump, thumps. Oh, dare I get the net? Dare I get the net? Mine's not going to go 40, he's just super fat. Super fat. Yeah, 35, 36. Alright, let's pop you back. Oh, okay. Lively. Oh, good fish. Oh, I dropped him. Fuck. Ah, disappointing. Too busy eating lunch. Oh, that's frustrating. Ah. Bugger. Oh well. My lunch is all on my deck. Try again. Oh, now it's awake. Yeah, I've been on for a little while. I was bouncing along the bottom and just went to clear it off out of the crap and then tapped that bang. It was a real funny little fight to start with because it wasn't doing much. Then just sort of woke up. It's no monster, but it's still good fun. Oh, especially when they do that. He's not quitting. They're just really solid big fish up here, aren't they? He absolutely whacked that too. He's taken both trebles. He hit it side on. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of fishing here and not caught a lot, but it's certainly come back. They're awesome. Yeah, okay, keep going up the creek. Yep. Oh, right, let's get you back quickly so we can get your friends. There he goes. So what's the go with fishing Saturday for the Bourbon boys? Certain hours?
Alright.
Certain hours for the Bourbon comp or? Gotcha.
So, yeah, I think it's usually sort of, oh, well done. I think it's usually start whenever you're on.
Yep.
Like, you know, start up, sort of. They'll tell us what to do.
Yep.
I think it's $10 to enter.
Yep.
Remember that gets you a fucking
Oh, nice. Mate, I might be having a long trip, late trip back to Hobart by the sounds of it. Yep, nice. Now you got me all conscious of high sticking. Too conscious. Get in there. Oh, they're heavy. That's probably fish of the day. That I reckon that's 37. And if I put my brag mat in an accessible place instead of like poking around looking. Ow. No. No, he's
You done much boomerang them?
No, I haven't. No, either his anal fin or his spinals got me as I caught him. Yeah, another 36-ish fish. Can't find the Spork beating 40. Oh, just go then. He's keen. Yeah. It's only been on the market since like December. Oh, yep, come on then. We're on for that whole thing. Yeah, that was just like, oh, wait. Oh, my rod's in the water. Oh, that's the new Veritas 3.0 rod. And it's for like mid $100 rod, like 150 mark. Great rod. Fantastic, right? Yeah, 7.2. Like it's supposed to be rated like 1 to 3 kilo extra light, but the tip's really thick. So, yeah, I wouldn't be calling it ultra light. It seems like it's got a lot, like you don't really get it bending over. So I think it's probably not. They're there. Yeah. Yeah, great ride. Teamed it up with a Pro Max reel, which is sort of neither here nor there. Oh, it's a good fish. Nice. Yep. Oh my goodness. That school is monstrous right here. Yeah, I was saying, I'm just hoping the camera picks it up, like the sounder is lit. Oh, sorry for the hand, everybody. Wow, they're absolutely everywhere down there. That's awesome. Might be the one though. That was out of nowhere. He just hit it on the drop. As soon as I went to work and he was there. Oh, he's given up pretty quickly though. Oh, he was back in towards the edge. No. In you go. Still a bit green when you hit the net. Alright, let's pop you back and find something a bit bigger. Ah, that's the second time today. Ouch. That's fighting well. So I just turned around to fish some arches I saw on the sounder. I had my vibe just out in front of me, and as I picked it up, we were on as usual. That's been the story of today, really. You cast out, let it sit on the bottom, they pick it up like a bait. So this is the bay, about halfway up the main straight, just from the boat ramp. A lot of the water sort of holds in here from a couple of different currents, so the fish tend to congregate, and I can feel the hooks pulling on this fish, which I don't like. It may just be rubbing across his face, so we'll hope for the best. He's stubborn and heavy. He doesn't want to come up. We're just sort of locked in a bit of a fight at the moment. He's not moving. I'm not budging. I'll keep some tension on and go for the net because he feels like a really good fish. He's just heavy down deep. Really good fish again. They've all been that mid-high 30s today. This guy won't give up. Come on. Might be my fish of the day by the looks. Oops, rushed that. He's not done by a long chalk. Good fish. Come on. Oh, not quite. Come on, in the net you go. Oh, good fish. Fat fish. Gotta be happy with that. He'll need a measure. Ah, 40 to the fork. Let's pop you back. He's still keen. There he goes. Oh, I'm aware there's a few here. He was back in the bay though. Same spot where that last one come from. Yeah, it was just like cast into the bay, probably about 5 or 10 from it. Jeez, he's heavy. That feels like a snag. I think he's bricked me. He's bricked me. Yeah, he's bricked me. Shit. Oh, come out. Nah. He's in there tight. Bream don't swim back out too, do they? Oh, fuck. don't know what he's got me wrapped around in there. Yeah. You can feel it pulling too. Nah, bust off. Bugger! Come on, come on. Gotcha. Yep. Just felt him tapping it just as I was drifting. Not real big at all. It's only a bub, but oh, mate. That's comes straight up from the ocean, that one.
Well, as the sun sets behind me, our session here at Swan River's come to a close. We certainly put in the hard work today, paddling around for around 6+ hours and travelling way up past the Wye River to where the Swan itself becomes more of a small river or creek. We certainly gained the rewards though, with over 30 fish coming to the boat. I managed about 10 and Spork well over 20+. The fish all coming today to vibes, and the key really was, as they were sluggish, to get them down deep and just retrieve them slowly, either roll them over the bottom or some small hops to get them active. Please like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Also jump across to our Facebook and Instagram page, throw a like to us, and also check out Point of Lure Project, throw them a like as well.